Alright Jeepers, study number 2 here. This isn't a permanent fix, but it's a temporary one if your Jeep won't start up again. So I just got it to start stalling. Let's see if it will crank. Alright, cranked up and running. Let's see. I know I got some comments about my oil pressure being low, but see, when it gets just above idle it goes up, and then when it's idling it goes down. Relatively normal, I think. Oh, there we go, older cars. Alright, let's see if it cranks. No crank. Oh, put it in park. Alright, gear, give it on the brake here and give it some. Put a little stress on it. You can tell the oil, the temperature gets up to operating speed before this starts to happen. I was driving around a little while, so I figured I'd show you what happens when we get to the won't turn over part. Let's see here. Alright, I think I'm going to go to the use the magic of video editing to save you guys some unnecessary viewing time. See you when we're failing. Alright, so wouldn't crank over. So I've reached the point where it won't crank over. Alright, now if this happens to you and you're stuck somewhere, that's what I found that works. Go to the key, 1, 2, 3. Well, hell, that was an easy fix. Get you going again at least. And I noticed that when I do this, it'll be a while before I have that issue again. So I don't know if it gets us any closer to figuring out what the cause of the problem is, but at least I found a temporary fix that'll get your car started again. So thanks for watching. Hope this helps.